This is Dan Sugar, founder and CEO of Nextracker. I couldn't be more excited than to be here in Dallas at the T1 5 gigawatt state-of-the-art module manufacturing facility. Solar was invented by Bell Labs in the 1950s, and it's just amazing to see state-of-the-art solar manufacturing coming back home. I'm here with Daniel Barcelo, CEO of T1.
Thanks, Dan, and we're equally excited to have Nextracker as we bring on domestic frames. We're bringing back solar to the U.S. We acquired this late last year, and it is the United States', if not the world's most modern solar module manufacturing facility. We're pushing through capacity of 5 gigawatts. This is what it means to bring back manufacturing to America, and also about bringing back supply chains to America.
Talk about your raw material from your silicon, the wafer, and your frames.
We get our polysilicon from Hemlock Corning out of Michigan. We have agreements for polysilicon and for wafers also from Michigan.
Ross Heiman, it's amazing how Clearway's built out their fleet over 10 gigawatts in the US, and you're building a couple gigs a year. What are your impressions of this module factory, and why are you interested in these advanced frames we're doing?
Yeah, thanks, Dan. This is a beautiful facility. It's great to see such high quality modules produced right here in the US. And it's really exciting to see this new collaboration with Nextracker and T1. I think it's like leaps and bounds going to create more opportunity and innovation for this module that's going to be stiffer, more resilient, going to survive longer in the field. The added domestic content is what we need on our project. And I think long term, this new partnership that you guys have created is a huge opportunity to drive future innovation between the module design and the tracker interface, something that really hasn't been done successfully to date. And if anyone's going to pull it off, I trust you guys will do it. So I'm really excited to be here, really excited about the future of this T1 module.
We think of product design as integrating all the components, not a bunch of separate components that are put together. And so that's really the next level, and we're really looking forward to doing great things together. Thank you, Ross and Clearway, and congratulations, Dan Barcelo, this amazing achievement here at the T1 factory in Dallas. Thank you.